What's up guys, it's Brian here. For this video I'll be showing you how you can go about starting off a brand new app project programmatically. Now when you initially start a brand new project, you either have the option to choose storyboard or Swift UI from the interface dropdown. You don't have an option to choose neither, so there are some steps you need to take before you can do so. Now assuming you have chosen storyboard from the interface dropdown and created a project, you should end up here with your project looking like this. The first step you need to take is simply delete main storyboard from the project. Now that may seem obvious, but there's a couple more steps before you can get this working. So let's do this first. So navigate to your sidebar here, click the storyboard, right click, delete, and click move to trash. All right, that's the first step. So the next step, you need to remove the main storyboard file name from the info.p list. So let's do that now. Let's navigate to info.p list, is right here. And now once you're in here, you need to locate the key marked main storyboard file base name, which is right here. Click this, and you see these two plus and minus buttons. All you need to do is click the minus button. All right, that's gone. So now the next step is still in this area, so stay right here. We now need to look for another key marked application scene manifest, which is right here. Click the drop down until you see should be item 0. Keep going. In this case, item 0 is right here. You should see that there are 3 items in here. Click the drop down again, and what we want here is the storyboard name. We want to click this right here, and the plus minus buttons, as I mentioned before. Let's click the minus button to delete this entirely. And that's it for this info.p list. Now let's move on to the final step. Let's go to your scene delegate file, which is right here. And in here, we want to add the following code. Okay, and that's it. Assuming you've typed out the following code in your will connect to function, that's pretty much it. Just a reminder, the root view controller here that I wrote, which is just the bare bones view controller file that comes with the project when you initially start it up. This will vary depending on your use case, so change it to whatever your root view controller is. But yeah, so let's give the project a run so that I can show you guys that it's actually working, and let's do that right now. Okay, the project is now running. As you can see at the top bar right there, it says running the app. It's running just fine. There are no errors at all. But you may notice that your simulator may show up as a black screen. That's because there's no content in the view controller itself. So don't worry about that. All you really need to do is just add some content here, and that will reflect nicely. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Happy coding.